Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to list your property on the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. Here we have to tap on the profile menu. Now scroll down, and under the partners section, tap on list your property. Here we can just proceed by tapping on list your property again, and then we are going to be redirected. And if we follow the steps that this site describes, we can become a partner and list our apartment. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.